In this video, I'm going to show you 10 passive income ideas that you can use to generate passive income and build your wealth and make money work for you while you sleep. So the first passive income idea is cryptocurrency mining. So cryptocurrency mining is a process of creating new crypto coins by solving complex mathematical equations. So when a person invests in cryptocurrency, the details of the investments are entered on a distributed ledger called the blockchain, but the process is complete only when a miner verifies the transaction is legitimate. So one thing you need to know about this, it uses or consumes a lot of energy, so you really want maybe to have energy that can sustain the process, and or energy that will be able to allow you to do the process without any challenges. So the second item is holding stocks long term. So by holding stocks long term, you want to purchase stocks that you are going to hold on for a very long time, so that by the time you come to sell the stocks, they will have outgrown, maybe doubled in share price by then. So you really want to go for proven brands or proven companies, or companies that IPO'd quite a long time ago, and companies that have a good track record. So I have another video that is going to highlight the companies or the industries that you need to invest in terms of stocks, and these are companies that or industries that you can hold for long term, and you do not stand a chance of losing your money or the value of the stock going down, because these are companies that have been in existence for well over 10 years, and they've been in the stock market for a number of years, and the way the world is moving, it is really favoring these industries. So you'll be able to check out the video and know which industries you can actually invest in stocks and hold for long term. So the next one is creating an app. So an application allows you to earn money through ads or in-app purchases. So you can place the app on App Store or on Google Play Store, and you can also leverage the Google platform itself, AdMob, which can serve ads to your app, and you'll be able to earn money from the adverts that are running on your app once you grow the traffic or the people who are using the app on a daily basis. So to create an app, you can hire a freelancer on Fiverr or on Upwork.com, and they can create the app for you from scratch, though this is going to be a little bit expensive, because maybe you'll start hiring the developers on a hourly basis. Or the best platform you can use is go to codecanyon.net. So I'm going to share a link in the description. So CodeCanyon has apps that you can purchase, and you can launch these apps on your server, and actually update these apps on the Android Studio, and then you can publish these apps on Google Play Store, and you can start earning from ads running on your app or on in-app purchases when people purchase extended functionalities in the app. The other one is to rent out your car. So if you're not using your car on a day-to-day basis, or if you are working during the day, you can rent out your car. We have companies that allow people to rent their car to them, and maybe they can use the car for Uber services or for delivery or logistics services, and maybe you can pick your car later on in the day and you can earn some extra bucks. So this is going to allow you to make passive income, because the car will be making money for you while maybe you are working your 9 to 5, and after 5 is when you can collect your car and head home. So it's also an activity you can use, or you can rent out your car to your friends or to your family members at a certain charge. Maybe you just hire the car to them for say 80 bucks to 100 bucks, and they are going to fuel the car from the year end, and you can start earning some extra income or passive income from leasing out or renting out your car. So the next one is you can start a laundromat. So a laundromat is an establishment with coin operated washing machines and dryers for public use, normally called a laundrette. So you can start this, and you're going to charge people some coins to clean their clothes and dry out their clothes. So you do not have to operate this, since it's coin operated. The people just come and insert a coin, and they input their clothes, and the machine is going to do everything for you. The next idea is a vending machine. You can start a vending machine. So a vending machine is a machine that dispenses small articles such as food, drinks, or cigarettes when a coin or token is inserted. So this one as well, you do not need to operate it manually, or be there to operate it. You just leave it there, and it works automatically. A person inserts a coin, and the machine is going to dispense whatever you are selling, if it's food, drinks, or cigarettes. But majority of the people I see, they normally use this for drinks, say milk or juice. The next one is start an ATM business. So an ATM is an automated teller machine that is used by banks and other outlets. So for the ATM business model, it is very simple and works on a split between the ATM owner, which is you, and the processor and the vendor location. So the processor or bank charges a fee for each transaction. The fee varies significantly by institution, and a range of 20 to 50 cents is not really uncommon. So the vendor location also takes a cut in most cases. That is from where you've really placed your ATM machine, so they're going also to take a cut. So it's also a nice platform, because as well for this one, maybe you do not need to auto manage as much. Maybe you need a guard or security than the rest, because everybody will be able to use the ATM by their own, and it's really self-explanatory. The other one is you can put ads on your car. So by putting ads on your car, we have a lot of brands that need to market their businesses, and or need to market their brands, and this is a platform whereby you can liaise with a company, and they can add their adverts all over your car. And once you're driving your car, it seems like you'll be sort of a walking billboard for the company, and they can pay you in regards to the miles that you've done, or in regards to the day to day. Maybe they can pay you on a day to day basis, or others do pay you on per mile basis. So once maybe you go for 10 miles, or 10 kilometers, then you have a certain charge that you have agreed on, that they are going to pay you. So it's also a nice platform as well. So the next one is crowd-funded real estate. So this whereby you join hands with a number of people, and you crowd-fund, and you come up with some requisite funds. Then you're going to go out and buy some real estate property that you can later either flip, or you can refurbish and make some constructions, or where the building had some issues, you can correct that, then you can resell the real estate, or you can rent it out on a monthly basis. So everybody who has contributed in that crowdfunding will be able to earn back their money, and some extra interest or profit from what you're going to gather, either from the cash flow, which is the rent on a month to month basis, or the profit from the flip, if you decide to flip the property. The next one is investing with robo advisor. So robo advisor are, or also spelled as a robo advisor with an O, are digital platforms that provide automated algorithm driven financial planning services with little to no human supervision. So a typical robo advisor collects information from clients about their financial situation and future goals through an online survey, and then uses the data to offer advice and automatically invest client assets. So you can use robo advisors to help you know where to invest. Then from the profits you make, you're going to share a portion of that with the owner of the robo advisor company, or the owner of the robo advisor digital platform. Then you can keep the rest. And this is a nice platform, because once you go to invest, you will be aware of everything that pertains the industry that you're going to invest, because they've already done surveys prior, and you'll be well informed before you head on to start investing. So those are basically 10 passive income ideas that you can use to start making passive income and generate wealth.